We apologize for interrupting your broadcast. Emergency information will now be displayed in a moment. Please ensure your device is audible. Today, at 11:47 a.m. GMT, NASA's spacecrafts have proven that the Moon has disappeared from the Earth. As the Moon stabilizes our tilt of the planet, we could witness rapid change in seasons or even no seasons at all. Please await further information. More planets have begun to disappear from the solar system, including Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. This phenomenon is still undiscovered. Please stand by for further information. NASA's spacecrafts have now proven that the Earth is no longer in the solar system. It is unknown where we are currently located in the vast existence of space. In other parts of the world, reported supernatural things are occurring due to this phenomenon. NASA has been receiving signals from outer space. The source of these signals is unknown. These signals use symbols commonly used on a keyboard. The following symbols in order are #**3. It is unknown what these symbols mean, but NASA and agencies all around the world are looking into it. On further notice, please keep battery-powered radios in hand as televisions might shut down. It is also advised to not go out as of now, as the core planet heat has massively increased since the phenomenon.
Come out, it is beautiful. There is nothing to be afraid of.